So this is my project walkthrough for the JavaScript single page application portfolio project. I did a practice exam for the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality Occupational Licensing. All of the questions were provided by the Texas Water Utilities Association. For this, you can sign in by using your username, any username you'd like. It brings you to this page where you have this is what it'll be when you first log in. You can start by clicking take a new exam. Right now, all I have is water treatment because those are the only questions I have available, but in the future, you can add in distribution, wastewater treatment, and collections exams for different licensing. You can come in. There should also be an option for Class B, but I was not given the questions for that. D being the lowest class. So you can click on that. It generates a randomized test or a randomized set of questions for the test. Each test is 50 questions. I have seed data of about 70, but every exam that you take or create will have a different randomized orientation of all of these exams questions. So you can select a single one, move to the next. You can save. Shows you that your exam is not completed when you started it. We'll come back in. You can be given a list of questions that you can click on the list of questions to show which ones have been answered, which ones have not been answered. Each exam, you have a total of 3 hours to complete it. It's just like the actual exam you go for the state testing. You also are given a equations and conversions modal to give you some basic information for any math questions you may come across in the exam. You can go forward, backwards. You can skip them. You can go to your list questions, pick on any random number, go straight to it. So if you missed it or skipped one, didn't know it, you can come back. When you're done or when you're finished, I think you're finished, or whenever the 3 hours runs out, when the 3 hours runs out, it'll automatically be submitted. The test will be over. You have no option to stop that. But if you ever think you're done, you can click submit and grade. You may have a confirmation window come up, submit, and you can go grade it. Automatically graded on the server end, and it spits out obviously a grade out of 100 for you. You can click on these to review, see you got it correct, or this is what you answered, this is the actual correct answer, so you can learn from this review. But if you did not answer a question, not going to give you that information. It's to help force you to give an attempt of all the information out there. If you don't try, I'm not just going to give you the answer. You come back, I'll show you the grade. It changes from continue exam to review, so you can always review, go back to this review. You can take another one, do the same exact one. Notice this first question has numbers for answers. Go ahead and submit. Come here, shows you numbers for answers. We'll go to the first one. Oh, look, completely randomized. And that concludes my review.